So hello, here is Mike. So in the first episode I have disassembling this cafe machine. Now we'll continue with assembling. So in the last episode I wash everything, the case, I wash this one, I wash this one. So now the next step is I put inside this the new ring, yeah, and I need to take this axe with this small like a valve, and I will put it there back. I will use this oil or this Vaseline to put on this axe, and I will after I finish this, after that I can start to put the first part on this case. So theoretically here is coming the pipe, is coming the pump, water pump. Here is the connection of the 220 volts cable. Here is coming this part, and here we have a second one which is coming here, yeah. So now I will start with this step. Initially I was not I found this part, so initially I was not aware what is happening, but from what I see, we need to install this spacer. We have here a spacer, and after that we install this part, and above is coming this spring. So I think this is the right way of assembling. So put like that, and after that we push the piston, yeah, and everything is coming inside like that, and here will come the spring, which I'll compress, and this is the opposite part which I'll fix or put the screw back. Now when I try to put back the screw was broken inside. So now I need to find a solution to take the screw out and to try with a new screw. Let's see what I found, because I think it's not very easy to take out this part. I will think something. So I try to make like a line to be able to pick up the screw with a screwdriver, but has not worked. So in the end I decide to create a hole passing through, yeah, a hole passing through. And after that, by using this kind of tool, yeah, and this one, I will make thread inside, and I will use a transversal screw. I hope this will work. So I will start to build this thread. So I put it back. Everything is looking okay. I will cut the screw from this side, and after that it will remain here. So everything is looking okay. So I managed to put this big part back. It's not without screw, but for the moment to place the location. So this one also is here. Normal here we need a tire up to fix here. I think because of the vibration of this pump. So this one is also there, and this also is a position. So it looks like until now that everything is going fine. So I put back this part, the screw here, another screw there, plus the screw from there. So now everything is okay. Here exists a sealing ring. I put the sealing ring, and this should come here, yeah? So should go like that, and after that rotate, and it will go here, and I will fix it to the screw, and after I think we need to coming this one and so on. So I install the rings on this piston, and after that exists here also a small ring, yeah, maybe it's not here, and should come like that, yeah. And after that I will install this piston here with a screw, After that, this case is coming, yeah? And at the end, this cutting machine, which is cutting the seeds, is here, of course. And this is the way. And after that, I need to take care about all these cables. I'll just put it how I can to stay well. I think the most probably I need to do some test before I fully assemble to see if exists a leakage, additional leakage. So every time exists a situation when you have too much screw and you know where it's coming. So after that, I discover in order to install this one, I need to install the front plate. So we have here one screw on the other side, plus here two screws. So now the 4 screws which was in plus are here. So I wash this, and now we need to put back this pipe where the coffee is coming, the screws, and next is the electrical cable. After a battle with the cable management, I managed to put all the cables somehow similar as it was before. So now I will continue. So I put provisory a little bit of water, and here I put this because there is a sensor to not have this light on, and we'll put in the socket and we can start. So it looks like it started. Now let's push the cafe button. So it's working. This and look, the piston is going inside, and here it is a spring, and see that spring is not fixed on the other side. It's just is keeping the lamel. There's a feather like a feather to not bend. So the water is coming out, so everything is okay. And here on the electrical area, so all the connectors are with the wire in our direction, but the main where is the button, yeah, this the connector is with the wire in the other direction, so if you have issues. So now the piston is coming out, so everything is looking okay. Now I want to open it again, this front part, to see there if you have leakage. Yeah, let's see from where the leakage come, if we still have it. So after that I look inside, so it looks like we have no leakage. Yeah, no leakage, so everything is fine. Also this screw which I have done it earlier is working fine. So I hope everything will be fine. Now inside was no how to say, was no coffee. Maybe when they have this pressure of the coffee powder, maybe it will go some leakage under, but this I cannot do it now. I need to assemble everything and make a probe with the real coffee. But let's say I'm optimist. So everything is fine now. We need to put the back over. It just need to be slide slowly, and after that it will go with a little bit of force. It will go, yeah. And after that we put the screws. I put back this to make the powder fine, or coffee powder fine. We need to put back this with the screws, this with the screws. Then after that I will make the first coffee. The last part of the video. Everything is there. The water, some coffee bohnen, and this is the, let's start it and let's do a coffee. I'll put here 80 milliliter. Wait a little bit. So let's start. The moment of truth. So the coffee is done. Let's see if this is ready. So and if you want to do, now he has done this, so it's there. Here is Mike. Thanks a lot.